friends, my name is Musli. I am here taking tutorial on basic electrical circuit. Basic electrical circuit means basic electrical wiring circuit, that is including wiring a home appliances like lights, other fans, etc. And here in this video I am taking tutorial on lights wiring circuit, and which including basic connections of wiring, basic wirings on the lights for controlling, and is including the go down wiring and parallel control of the bulbs, and hospital wiring and staircase wiring, etc. And this video will help you to understand the basic connections for the light circuit, and will help you to make your own new connections and controlling methods. This is the basic circuit of electrical wiring, a bulb, and this is a phase line, and phase line is connected to the SPST switch. This is single pole single throw switch, and then this switch is connected in series to the bulb, and other end of the bulb is connected to neutral. When this switch is closed, this circuit is completed through the bulb, and the current will flow through the bulb, will glow the bulb. Hi friend, this is the connection diagram for parallel connecting of bulbs and controlling with a single switch, and this controlling is done as shown. And this switch, the bulbs are connected in parallel, as these two ends are joined and these two ends are joined, and this one of them end is connected to neutral and other end is connected to the switch, and from the switch it is connected to phase, the live wires. And when this switch is closed, this current flow through this, and both bulbs, here phase comes, and both bulbs are connected to circuit in a parallel form, and both bulb will glow. Okay. Hello. This is a series connection of bulb using single SPST switch. We have two bulbs, and these two bulbs are connected in series as shown, and the one end is connected to neutral and other end is connected to phase through the single SPST switch, which is connected in series. And when this switch is closed, both bulbs, the circuit will complete through the both bulbs, and these bulbs are only glows dim in a dim fashion, and the series connection is mainly used for dim lights, and this dim is because of that when these two bulbs are connected in series and a 230 voltage is applied across this bulb, and the voltage across these two bulbs are less than 230 volt. So the brightness of these two bulbs will be less and will be less. And now I'll explain you a funny circuit using SPDT switch. And this circuit is just for to understand you what is SPDT switch. You know, this SPDT switch having 3 points and a single pole, and this can be thrown in two ways. That is, this one common, and this one is C1 and this is C2, and this one is a common, and we can throw it in two positions, C1 or C2. Okay, that is why it's called SPDT switch. Now we can consider a circuit, a two bulb lamp circuit, in which the lamps are connected to neutral. Both lamps are connected to neutral, and we have a SPDT switch here. Suppose this is a SPDT switch, and these two positions common C1 C2, and this common line we connected to the phase, and the C1 which is connected to lamp 1 and C2 which is connected to lamp 2. Now this switch is at CC1 position. Now switch CC1 position, then the connection will be go through this, and there is no connection. Here is no connection, and this connection will go through, and the lamp 1 will glow, and when the switch is at position C2, that is, and there is no connection between C and C1, and then the circuit is complete through C2, and then lamp 2 through this lamp 2 is connected to neutral, and now this lamp 2 is glows and the lamp 1 will be off. The fun is that these two lamps are, one of the lamps always turned on and it cannot be turned off. That is the funniest, and I think you understand the what about the I think you understand about the SPDT switches, how its connection in the circuit and how it is working. Go, don't worry. And here we are explaining two lamps are controlled by two switches, but only one lamp is turn on at a time, and we have two lamps here, and these neutral lines are connected, joined and connected to neutral, and we have two lamps, and the first one is SP. We have two switches. First one is ST switch, and then other one is SPDT switch. We have three, and it's a common point C1, C2, and this is ST switch, SPDT switch. Now this phase is connected to SPST switch, and then this from this switch SPST is connected to the common point of the SPDT switch. From the first point of the SPDT switch for the C1, it is connected to lamp 1, and from C2, which is connected to lamp 2. Now the working is that when the switch is SPST, this S1, S2, S1 is on, that is closed, and then circuit come here, and when C2 is on, and circuit will close through this lamp 1, and the lamp 1 will light, and at that time lamp 2 will be turned off, and lamp 1, lamp 2, S1 is on, S2 is on C1 position, lamp 1 will be on and lamp 2 will be off. Now this SPDT switches position C2, at the same time S1 is on C2, and then the circuit will come here, and this from common point which is connected to C2, and from the C2 which is going through this bulb L2 and complete the circuit, and the bulb L2 will be on and L1 will off at that time. And if this SPDT switch S1 is off, then it is independent on the connection of this SPDT switch, that is the bulb will be in off position. Okay, that is any position, this bulb both are off. Hi friends, this is hospital wiring. That is, we have two lamps and two switches. One is SPDT and SPST switches, and in which we can have three connections using two switches. That is, we can have parallel connection of these two bulbs, series connection of these two bulbs, and a single bulb glow at a time. That is, we have two bulbs glow at a time, and two bulbs dim at a time, and a single bulb glow at a time. And this is the hospital wiring. We have a SPDT switch, SPST switch, two lamps, and the lamps are one the first consider this L1 lamp and 2 lamps, and this lamp is connected to neutral, and the neutral is also joined to the C1 point of the SPDT switch, and the phase is connected to C2 point of SPDT switch and also to the lower pole of the SPST switch. And now the common point of the SPDT switch is connected to one of the end of the second bulb, and the second pole of the upper pole of the SPST switch is connected to other end of the second bulb, and also this end of two bulbs are joined. The working is that, suppose when this switch is on, that is means closed, S2 is closed and S1 is at position C1 dash. We have connection like this. We have C2 here, C2 from C2, also a phase is coming here and phase is joined to here. Okay, that is the phase comes here, so the both bulb have some phase here, and this bulb is connected to ground directly, so it is glow, and this bulb L2 is other end of the bulb L2 is connected to common point, and from the common point we have C dash connection, and it's connected to C dash, and C dash C1 dash means okay, that's pole, and through this pole which is connected to neutral, so both bulbs are glow on and on. It is a parallel condition. And now consider switches S2 is open, that is off, and S1 is at the same position C1 dash. Okay, now the second position S2 switch is opened and SPST switch S1 which is CC1 dash position, that S2 is off, CC1 dash. Now this case there is no connection from this phase is coming here and here, but there is no, this is not open, so it's not closed, so it is not connected to circuit, and there is no contact with the CC2 dash, so there is no phase to these two bulbs, so this will be off. Okay, now the third one, this S2 switch is closed, and S1 switch is SPDT is at position CC2 dash, that is on and CC2 dash position. Anyway, C2 dash position. And now in this case this phase comes here, through this phase comes here and phases comes here. Now C2 dash position, C2 dash comes here and this phase also comes here, so this bulb is at zero potential, so this bulb L2 is off, but the phase coming here and they have a phase here, but this bulb is directly connected to neutral, so L1 will be glow, that's it, and it is a single bulb. Okay, now the position third one is S2 is opened and S1 is at CC2 position on. Now this is no connection to this, so this can be leave. Now phase is come here and CC2 through this is come here and no connection here, so it's come, phase is coming here and these two bulbs are connected serial and to the neutral, so these two bulbs are in serial and they will dim. Okay, this is the hospital wiring. Thank you. Wiring. Okay, that is, suppose this is a staircase, we have switches here, and a lamp is here, and the switch is again here. And now we are at here, and we switch on the lamp, and we will go through this, and from here we have the another switch. Here we again press this switch to turn off this bulb. Okay, this is the application of the staircase wiring. Now this circuit I will explain you that single bulb is here. We have single bulb, and the neutral wire is connected to the neutral. One line is connected to neutral, and other one is connected to switches. We have two switches. This you consider like this. A common point is here, another one is here, that is C1, C2, and the second switch we consider is like, okay, now this is a single bulb and two SPDT switches, SPDT switches, and these two common points. And now from the face we connect it to the common point of this switch 1, and from this common point of the second switch we connect it to the bulb. Okay, and now we join these two common points and these 2 points. Okay, this C1 here, the C1 point and the P1 point is joined, and C2 point and P2 points are joined, and the common points the first switch, the common point is the first switch is connected to the face, and the second common point of the second switch is connected to the bulb. Now the working is that when the supplies come here and this switch is in position CC1, S1, S2, that is S1, S2, and a bulb lamp. Okay, just take it. And S1, S2 and lamp, we have when this connected to CC1 position, that is S1, S2, CC1 position, and the same times this, if the S2 is also in P1, P position, then the lamp will be on. And if it is CC1 position, if the lamp S2 is in P2 position, then this circuit comes like this. Here come and here come, and there is no contact between P1 and P, so it is not light the bulb, and it's not complete it will become a open circuit. And now if at that position C1, if this switch S1 is connected to CC2, then this P2 here, and then this connected to this, and through this it's come to the here P2 position, and from P2 it is connected to P, and through the P it is connected to bulb, and bulb will glow, and this is the position and off. Also when C2 position, if it is S2 is at P1 position, then the lamp will be off. Okay, this is, that is, for example, when this here the position that is CC1 is CC1, and here it is at P2. Now here this switch on, a switch is on, then this C connected to C2 position, and this bulb will glow, and the person is come here, and this switch S2 is connected to P1, then there is open circuit, and light this bulb will not glow. That is the working of this staircase wiring. Now in access lighting switch, I am showing you a connection of a plug to the house plug connected, and also a bulb is connected like this. we have a switch, a plug here, and the switch is here, and a light switch is also here. So we want to connect these, okay, plug and light. Okay, this phase node comes, and we have lamp here, and we have these 3 points. Commonly this is earth point, and one of them, this is consider this is phase and this is neutral. Okay, so this lamp, and we have switches here, a single pole single throw switch is used, SPST. Okay, this light controlling, S2 is used for light controlling, S1 used for this plug controlling. So we have neutral is joined to the lamp, and neutral also connected to the plug neutral. Okay, and this want to be grounded. Okay, now the phase comes here, phase is connected to this 2 switch, and from S2 switch which is connected to the plug, and okay, this is the switch, and now the lamp is connected to the phase is again connected to, we can join from here in a board. We join inside this board, not taking this from the top of the conduit that's flowing through the wire flowing through the conduit from the top of the building on the wall. It's not taken. We take in this box, we have phase here, we have joined this phase. Okay, now join these 2 phase, and from this we connect it to the bulb. Okay, now it's separately control the bulb and the plug. So this is the connection that comes here. When the switch is closer, phases comes here, only then this we have, if we connect a charger, then this start to charge. Okay, if the phase comes here and phase comes here, and when switch is closer, the light will bulb. And we can use a number of ways that I shown before this video. Okay, hospital wiring, and 2-way controlling, 3-way controlling, etc. Okay, thank you guys.